If you need guidelines in CapCut to help you create the perfect split screen, I'll show you exactly how to add them. First, click on the 3 lines right here above your preview window. From the menu, click on Add Vertical Guide, Horizontal Guide, or both. Once the lines appear, you can position your video exactly the way you want it. You can add as many guides as you like and adjust them to your liking. You can also lock them, hide them, or simply clear all lines from the preview window when you're done. That's it. Have fun editing, and I'll see you in the next one.